Hi guys, this is Faryal Mehmood and I'm here to show you my makeup routine. I'm gonna start with my primer. This is actually really good for dry skin. A lot of people don't know this about me. I used to work for MAC Cosmetics and I worked for them for 5 years in the States. So I'm really good at this. So I've just prepped my skin. सबसे पहले मैं अपनी eyebrow करती हूँ, पता नहीं क्यों, but I like it. I like it. I usually don't get hair here, so you can see now they're like kinda similar. What it does, it just keeps all the hair in place, and voila, my eyebrows are done. Usually brown tones work really nicely with my skin, so a dark brown eyeshadow. I'm just gonna take it with a blending brush. I'm just gonna go straight at it and बिल्कुल पीछे से मैंने brush पकड़ा हुआ है और उसको मैं back and forth करते हुए ऊपर ले जाऊंगी और अब ये आई shadow मेरे पूरी आँख के ऊपर फैल चुका है. I'm using the same shadow that I use for my eyebrows. Now I'm gonna do this guy. फोकस सारा बेसिकली क्रीज के ऊपर रखना है. क्रीज के ऊपर जो भी आई शैडो जा रहा है उसको ब्लेंड करना है. क्रीज इसको कहते हैं, ये जो एरिया होता है. तो इससे जो ऊपर आई शैडो जा रहा है उसको बफ आउट करना है. ब्रश दिस आउट, जस्ट ब्रश दिस कलर आउट, एड ऑन मोर ओवर हियर. लिड पे आप डार्क कर सकते हो. The browner you are, these tones look even better on you. They're just meant for us, you know. I've smoked it all out. Ye ho gaya. So we're gonna just go in with a black eye pencil. So what I do is, नीचे तो लगाती हूँ, but like waterline पे भी मैं eye pencil लगा लेती हूँ. Take a stubby brush. Take a very stubby brush and just blend it upwards, and it's just gonna disappear. So ye ho gaya. What I like personally, I like doing is just packing the eye pencil with some eyeshadow underneath. Just right underneath that waterline, just pack it. This is actually meant for winter wear. This is a full coverage foundation. Definitely the best foundation out there. I mean for me, because I have really dry skin. मैं क्या करती हूँ कि यहाँ मैंने NC30 लगाया है MAC का. And then over here and over here, I go with a darker foundation to just make it look like my own skin. So it's not just like one tone and just looks white. I've done the foundation on my face. I have a liquid foundation which is very much darker to my skin tone. I contour with this. I will go here with my contouring. And then here. I love contouring here. And then on the forehead. Just with a soft, another brush. I feel like ये बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया. So just buff it out. I would really recommend putting on the foundation and then putting on your concealer. I'm gonna conceal here. Ye bhi conceal ho gaya. Just go right underneath my eyes. So yeah, concealer underneath my eyes. I'm just gonna go pack it with this yellow powder. And then I also mix some of this color. So ye aankhon ke niche concealer pack ho gaya. Now I'll go in with my powder contour since I'm addicted to looking a little, not a little, a lot more darker. Alright, so I am done with my contour since I have such dry skin. So what I do is I take some of this oil. I just put some oil in the palm of my hand. And what I do with this is I mix, I mix some highlighter in it. So I just made my own highlighter here. So now you can go ahead and do this. And this is why Faryal Mehmood glows. Look at me shine, look at me shine. Look at this. कभी भी lines नहीं देखनी चाहिए आपको makeup के अंदर. No lines. Everything should be blended unless it's drag makeup. Then lines are okay. Talking about drag makeup, my film Wakhri is coming out on the 5th of January and I'm actually playing a drag. So that would be a lot of fun. I'm just gonna go ahead and put on my mascara and then we're gonna be done. So eyelash क्या curl करेंगे? क्योंकि मैं eye mask पहन के सोती हूँ तो मेरी eyelashes जो हैं वो सीधी हो गई हैं बहुत ज़्यादा. A really good mascara for no, actually it was really reasonable. It wasn't pricey. Look, what a great mascara, right? Go ahead and do the other eye. And do this. काफी सारे लोग अपनी lower lashes पे mascara नहीं लगाते हैं, and that's a crime. Don't do that. It's a mineralized blush, and I'm just gonna go in. This also has a bronzer in it, so if I get darker, don't mind me. I like overdrawing my lips. I just lined my lip. I fell in love with this color. It's so beautiful. This is how I set my lipstick always. So basically, this is my final look. Tell me how I look. I think I look great. My skin looks radiant. If you guys enjoyed this, please do comment and share and do subscribe to this channel. And please do come and watch Wakhri. It releases nationwide all over Pakistan on the 5th of January. I'll be looking forward to seeing you all in the cinemas. Thank you.